Hello students, in this video we will learn about decimals. So what are the decimals? Decimals are also the fractions, like a upon b is a fraction. So decimals are also a fraction having denominator in the multiple of 10. Means if I have written here 1 by 10, so it will be a decimal. Why? Because the denominator is the multiple of 10. Or like this 25 upon 100, it will be again a decimal. Means in decimals denominator will be the multiple of 10. So it can be 10 or 100,000, like this it will be. So what is the decimal? Decimal is a fraction in which the denominator is the multiple of 10. So is 500 upon 1000 is a decimal? Yes, it will be. Why? Because the denominator is the multiple of 10. Now come to the decimal. There are two kinds of decimals, that one can be unlike and one can be like decimal. So what is the difference between unlike and like? If the number of digit after the decimal, suppose a number is like 252.32 and another number is 52.323. Now you can see after decimal here are two digits, 1 2, 32 it is, 3 2 it is, and after here 1 2 3 digits are there. So what we can say, after decimals number of digits are different, so these will be unlike decimals. Or in case of like decimals, what it will be? See, 52.12 and 16.64. so these are the like, because after decimal place there are the same number of digits. Means two digits are here also and two digits are here also. If a number is 523.3274 and another one is 24.6412, so these will be like or unlike? Definitely, because after decimal there are 4 digits and here again 4 digits, so it will be a like decimals. Now come to the next one, that how we will add the decimal number or how we will subtract the decimal number. So one example I am taking here, it is 1234.23 and you have to add it in 24.345. Now how you will add? See, you will write it in vertically, like 1234.23 you have written like this. After below decimal you will put decimal, and 345 you will write 345 like this, and 2424 like this. Or wherever no digits are you can place 0, and plus here you will, wherever no digits are you will write 0. Now add them. 5 it will be 5, 4 plus 3 5 6 7 it will be, 3 plus 2 5 it will be, decimal as it is. Now 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 2 5, 2 as it is and 1 as it is, like this we will write. Or in case of subtraction also same thing we will do. Here sign we will change, that will be minus sign, and whatever will be the result same you will write. If our digits are like this, 24.32 plus 0.5 plus 0.032 plus 7, then how you will add? Again write it vertically, 24.32. below decimal you will put decimal, then you will add 5 here and 0 here, 0 0 you can place, and below decimal 032 and here 0 0 you can place. If two digits are 0 you can place by your own. 7 is after 7 decimal place zeros, these will be, so you can write 7.000. You will not write this 7 here, because before decimal this 7 is, no decimal is before this 7, so you will write 7 here. Now you will add them together. 2 it will be, 3 plus 2 5 it will be, 5 plus 3 6 7 8 it will be, 4 plus 7 it will be 11, carry 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1 it will be 3. Like this we can add the decimals. Now come to multiplication and in division. How we will multiply decimal? If a decimal is like 12.345 into 7.2, then how you will multiply? See, Simply you will write, as we are doing the general multiplication, 12.345 we will write multiplied with 7.2. Same like we were multiplying before, same we will do. 5 to ja 10, carry 1, 4 to ja 8 plus 1 9, 3 to ja 6, 2 to ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2 we will write. Now after this table of 7, 7 5 ja 35, carry 3, 7 4 ja 28, 29, 30, 31 it will be, carry 3, 7 3 ja 21 plus 3, 24, carry 2, 7 2 ja 14 plus 2, 16, carry 1, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 7 2 ja 14, 15, 16, carry 1, 7 1 ja 7 plus 1, 8 it will be. Now we will write 0, 5 plus 9 it will be 14, carry 1, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 2 8, 8 as it is. Now what we will do related to what we will do with this decimal, here how many places, 1 2 3 places, we will count that how many places the decimal is having. Here after decimal 3 digits are, here after decimal 1 digit are. So in our final result we will put decimal after 1 2 3 4 digit we will put. So 1 2 3 4, here we will put decimals, means we will count digit after the decimal, that total how many digits are. If I hope it is clear. If it is written like 12.12, then after how many places we will put decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6, after 6 places, means if our result is supposed like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so after how many places, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here we will put decimal. Like this we will do in the case of multiplication. Or one more thing you will remember, if a digit is written like 12.345 and we are multiplying it with 10 or the multiple of 10, if we are multiplying with 10, then what will happen, this decimal will move one place right. If we are multiplying it with 100, then this decimal will move 2 place right. Means if it is written 12.345 or we are multiplying it with 1000, so how many zeros are there, 3, so this decimal will move 3 place right. So here 1 2 3 means it will become 2 1 2 3 4 5 like this, because decimal will move here na 0 we can write, or otherwise it will be 12 3 4 5 like this only, whenever we are multiplying with the multiple of 10, that is 10 100 1000, this you will remember. Another thing you can see in the case of division, what it will be, see if we are dividing a decimal like 12.5, if we are dividing 12.3, we are dividing it with 3, then how we will do, see 3, see simple division we will do 12.3, 3 4 ja 12 we will write, after decimal we will put here 12 minus 12 it will be 0, and 3 1 ja 3 we will write, 3 we will copy here, 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, like this our result will be. Or one more thing you will remember here, if we are multiplying, if we are dividing a number with 12.3 divided with 10, so what will happen, we have seen in multiply we were moving to right, that decimal was moving to the right hand side. Here whenever we are dividing 12.3 divided by 10, like this also we can write in the form of fraction, so this decimal place will move one place right. If we are dividing with, the result will be 1.23, or if it will be 100.3 divided by 100, then result how many zeros, 2, so it will move 2 place right here, so our answer will be 0.123 like this. Means whenever in division, if we are dividing with the multiple of 10, so point will be moved toward the left hand side, as the decimal places will be, like if it will be the with divisible with 10, if we will divide it with 10, then one place left hand side, if with 100 then 2 place, 1000 then 3, like so on, like this we will do. Now come to the exercise second C, that is first question and second question is there, that write as a decimal, it is written 3 by 10. So how we will write in question number first part, first it is 3 by 10. How we'll write in the form of decimal? You know that what we are doing, we are dividing, so decimal will move one place left, so we will write it as 0.3. If it is 20 whole 21 whole 3 by 1000, 3 by 1000 it is. So how we will write it? 21 as it is we will write, and for this what we can do, plus we can do, and this we can write as how many place? 1 2 3, 3 place before means 0.0003 means 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So this one will be the, our answer will be 21.003. This we can write in the simple form. Question number second is here, express as a mixed number. You have to write 3.145 it is. So you have to write in the mixed number, so this will come in whole number it is, so we will write in whole, plus what we will write to 145. See how many places? 1 2 3 means it is divided with 1000, then only 3 place decimal will come, so we will write it as 3 whole 145 upon 1000. Why it is? You know that 3 place left means we are dividing it with 1000, then only it will be, and its last part is 16.02. 16.02. So how we will write? 16 is a whole number, and for 0 1 2 place, so we will write 2 upon 120 100 means it will be equal to 16 whole 2 by 100 means after counting towards the left means it will be divided with that tens multiple. So come to the question number 3, express the fraction in the lowest term. It is written in question number 3rd, you have to write in lowest form. Last part I am doing here 0.16 it is, so you will write in lowest form. How? See in fraction how we will write? 0.2 place means it is it will be divided with which number? That will be 100, because 2 place na left hand side means it will be divided with 100. In lowest form what will be? See both are divisible with 2, so 8 2 ja 16, 52 ja, then again divisible with 2, 4 2 ja 8, 25 2 ja, now it is divisible? No, so the lowest form will be 4 upon 25. Question number 4 it is, question number 4 it is, what is written here? Write the fraction these with the denominator 10 and hence express these as a decimal. What you have to do in this? Write the fractions 1 by 2. Fractions are 1 by 2, 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These are the fractions with the denominator 10. Write these fractions with the denominator 10 and hence express as a decimal. First you write these fractions in the denominator of 10. So how you will write? See 1 by 2, you need to write it in denominator of 10, so you will write it as into 1 by 10. So this will become, multiply it with 10 and divide it by 10, so it will become 10 2 5 ja 10 means you can write it as 5 upon 10. Second one 1 by 5 it is, so multiply, denominator should be 10, so we will multiply it with 10 and as well as divide it 10. Why we are doing so? Because if we will do 5 upon 1 upon 5 into 1, it will remain same only, so for this we can write here 10 upon 10. So now our denominator should be 10, so we will cancel 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, so we can write it 2 by 10. In the same way third part how we will write? 3 upon 5 it is into 10 into 10. Now 5 in denominator it should be 10, so we will remove this 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, it will become 3 2 ja 6 upon 10. In same way fourth part will be 4 by 5 into 10 upon 10 we will do, because value will be 1, 10 upon 10, 5 2 ja 10 it will be, 4 2 ja 8 upon 10. Like this we can write. Or one more thing you have to do, that write these number in the decimal form. It is also there, and express as a decimal. So in the decimal form what it will be? See divided by 10, so 0.5 will be our answer. 1 place left it will move na, so again divided by 0.2 it will be, because 1 place left 0.06 and it will be 0.8, or we Like this we will write. Question number 5, write these fraction with the denominator 100. Same way you will do as we have done here, multiplied and divide with 10, you will do divided and multiplied with 100 only you will put, and same way you will do. Now question number 6 is add. Same way you can do as from junior classes you are reading these. And question number 7 also same, 8 also, 9th also, that divide and multiply. Question number 10 is